everyone, I am Pallavi Dholakiya from Smt.R.S.Kalaria Primary School. Welcome to YouTube channel. Today we will learn Maths Standard 5, Chapter number 11, Area and its boundary. Now let us understand meaning of area. The area of a plane figure is the surface enclosed by its sides. When we are going to find the area of any figure, the figure is enclosed and inner part of the given figure, if we measure, that part is called area of a particular figure. Now the unit of area is square unit. Now whenever we are measuring the area, the unit of that will be square unit. Area is expressed in square units such as centimeter square or meter square. Now first topic is whose slice is bigger. Parth and Guinea bought aam papad, that is dried mango slice, from a shop. Their pieces look like this. Here the picture of two pieces are given to you. Both could not make whose piece was bigger. The question is, suggest some ways to find out whose piece is bigger. Here we will solve. So first we can see length of piece A is 6 cm given in the picture. So 6 squares of side 1 can be arranged with its length. Same way, width of piece A is 5 cm. So 5 squares can be arranged along with its width. So area of piece A is equal to 6 cm multiplied by 5. That is 30 cm square. Now we will find out the area of piece B. Area of piece B is equal to 11 cm into 3, that is 33 cm square. So if we compare, we can say that area of piece B is bigger. We'll move further. A friend of Parth and Guinea showed one way using small squares. Here what I have explained, that by counting square we can find the area of a particular piece or a figure. Now altogether how many squares can be arranged on it? Now suppose I want to arrange altogether the total area, then how can I arrange? It can be 30 squares. Okay, if I start counting squares, it could be 30. Same way for piece B, if I started counting squares, it could be 33. So area of piece A will be 30 cm square. Next is, in the same way, find the area of piece B. Now what I told you, that if we count squares, then it will be 11 into 3, means it should be 33 squares if we count the square, and if we go through length and width, it is 11 into 3, that is 33. Next question is, who had the bigger piece? How much bigger? So if we compare the area of both the piece, we will get the difference, and that difference will be the answer. So difference is equal to area of piece B minus area of piece A. Area of piece B is 33 minus 30, that is 3 cm square. So area of piece B is bigger by 3 cm square. Now we will move to practice time. Question A. Arbaz plans to tile his kitchen floor with green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 cm. His kitchen is 220 cm in length and 180 cm wide. How many tiles will he need? Here we have to find out number of tiles he need. So first area of floor. First we need to find area. Length into width. So width of the kitchen is 180 and length of the kitchen is 220. So 220 into 180. That will be 39,600 centimeter square. Now area of tile. Here it is given each side of tile is 10 centimeters. So area of tile is equal to side into side. That is 10 into 10, 100 centimeter square. Now we have to find out number of tiles he need. So area of floor upon area of tile. That is 39,600 divided by 100. So 396 tiles. He will require 396 tiles. Now B. The fencing of a square garden is 20 meters in length. How long is one side of the garden? Now here perimeter of the garden is given 20 meters. That is to be fenced. So which has to be fenced in the length of one side. So if we want to find out length of one side, we need to divide it by 4. Why? Because it has 4 sides. So perimeter divided by 4. The perimeter of the garden is 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5 meters. So one side of the garden is 5 meters. Next question. A thin wire 20 centimeters long is formed into rectangle. If the width of this rectangle is 4 centimeters, what is its length? Here we have to find out length of the wire. So what is given to you? First, perimeter of rectangle, that is 20 centimeter. Width of the rectangle 4 centimeter. So we all know the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now let us put the values. So 20 is equal to, if we open this bracket, this 2 will be multiplied to L and B. So we can write like this. 20 equals 2L plus 2B. So if we take 2L here, 20 will go over there. So 2L is equal to 20 minus 2B. Now we are having value of B, that is width, breadth. So let us put 2L is equal to 20 minus 2 into 4. 2L is equal to 20 minus 8. 2L is equal to 12. Now this is in the multiplication relation. If 2 goes this side, it will be in division relation. So L is equal to 12 divided by 2. That is L is equal to 6 centimeter. Wire is 6 centimeter. Next question. A square carom board has perimeter of 320 centimeter. How much is its area? Now, perimeter of carom board is given to you 320 centimeter. So it is square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. 320 is equal to 4 into side. Now here we will shift 4 from next side. That is, it will go into division relation. Why? Here it is in the multiplication relation. So 320 divided by 4 is equal to side. So side is equal to 80 centimeter. Now we have to find out area. So area of square is equal to side into side. That is 80 into 80, 6400 centimeter square. Question number F. Sanya, Arushi, Manav and Kabir made greeting cards. Complete the table for their cards. Here information of cards is given to you. Whose card, that is the name of a kid, length, width perimeter and area. Few information is given to you and few you need to find out. So first let us see. Here we have to find out perimeter of Sania's card. Perimeter of Sania's card is equal to sum of all its sides. That is, length and width is given to you. So 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8, that is 36 centimeters. So here I have written 36 centimeter. Now area is equal to length into width. So 10 into 8, that is 80. Now length of Manav's card is 11 centimeter and perimeter given to you is 44 centimeter. First we will find out width. Perimeter of card is equal to sum of all the sides. Let us put the values. 44 is equal to 11 plus 2 other sides. So 44 minus 11 plus 11, 22. Minus 22 is equal to 2 other side. So 22 divided by 2. Here it is in multiplication relation. So again it will go in division relation. So width is equal to 11 centimeter. So here we can write 11 centimeter. Now area. So length into width, that is 11 into 11, 121 square centimeter. Same way, width of Arushi's card is given 8 centimeter and area is given 80 centimeter. First we have to find out length. So length is equal to question mark. Area equals length into width. These two values we have. So we will insert the values. 80 is equal to L into 8 centimeter. So 80 divided by 8, that is 10 centimeters. So here length is 10. So we will write over here. Now we have to find out Kabir's perimeter is given 40 and area is given 100. So area is multiplication of length and width, that is 10 into 10. Perimeter means 2 into L plus B, that will be 40. So length is 10, width is 10 centimeter. Next topic is share the land. Nasrina is a farmer who wants to divide her land equally among her 3 children, Chumki, Jumri and Imran. She wants to divide the land so that each piece of the land has 1 tree. Her land look like this. Here picture of land is given to you along with the solution. So question is, can you divide the land equally? Show how you will divide it. Remember, each person has to get a tree. Color each person's piece of land differently. Here, if we see on the land, if we see on the picture, there are 90 boxes. So, 90 divided by 3, that will be 30 boxes each. Now, each boxes we have to divide in such a way that each of them has got 1 tree. Okay, so here we have made a different design for these 3 parts. Second question, if each square on this page is equal to 1 square meter of land, how much land will each of her children get? That is, so what I told you, 90 divided by 3, that is 30 square meter. So each of them will get 30 square meter. Now we will move to practice time, page number 153. Look at the table. If you were to write the area of each of these, which column would you choose? Make tick. Now here different items are given to you. You have to say whether you will measure in square centimeter, square meter or square kilometer. For that we should know that when we are using square centimeter, when the object is small, then we will use centimeter. When object is bigger than small, means what? Means suppose for example you are given handkerchief and you are given sari. So definitely handkerchief you will measure in centimeter, and sari you have to measure in square meter. Okay, then square kilometer. Square kilometer you will measure in what? To measure the distance you will use kilometer. Okay, so let's see according to that. First is handkerchief, that will measure in square centimeter, sari square meter, page of the book, of course that will be in centimeter, school land, that will be in meter, total land of a city, so distance of that will be in kilometer, then door of your classroom, that will be in meter because it is not too small. Okay, chair seat, it is small, so we will measure in centimeter. Blackboard, it is not small, so we will measure in meter. Indian flag, that is in centimeter, and land cover which a river flows, that is in kilometer. Now question B. Draw the square of 3 centimeter square. Write A on it. Draw another square with double the side. Write B on it and answer this. So here first we have to draw of 3 square centimeter, that will be A, and this is double of 3, that is 6 centimeter, and that is B. Now we have to find out perimeter of square A. So perimeter of square A means addition of all the sides, sum of all the sides, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12 centimeter. The side of square B is equal to double of side A. What we have done over here? We have done a double of this. So 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. The area of square B. So 6 into 6, that is 36 square centimeter. Fourth one, the area of square A will be 3 into 3, that is 9 square centimeter. Next question, perimeter of square B. Now perimeter means sum of all the sides, that is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 24 centimeter. Now we can say the perimeter of square B is 2 times the perimeter of square A. Here 24 and here it is 12. So 12 and 24, that is 2 times than perimeter of square A. Now let's move to King's story. The king was very happy with the carpenters Chagu and Anwar. They had made a big and beautiful bed for him. So as gifts, the king wanted to give them some land to Chegu and some gold to Anwar. Chegu was happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangles. He had made some rectangles. So next rectangle was 30 meter into 20 meter rectangle. So question is, what is its area? First rectangle's area, rectangle's measure was 100 meter, 10 meter into 40 meter. So whose area is more? We have to that find out. Question is, what is its area? Is it more than the first rectangle? So we will compare. Area of first rectangle is 30 into 20, that is 600 meter square, and area of first rectangle was 10 meter into 40 meter, that is 400 square meter. So area of B, that is second, is more than the first rectangle. Second, what other rectangles can he make with 100 meters of wire? Discuss which of these rectangles will have biggest area. So we have to form some possibility of rectangles. Following rectangles are possible. First will be 5 meter into 45 meter. So that will be, area of that will be 5 into 45, that is 225 square meter. Second possibility will be 15 meter into 35 meter, So that will be 525 square meter. Now out of these two, second possibility have the biggest area. Now next, Chegu's wife asked him to make a circle with the wire. She knew it had an area of 800 square meters. Why did Chegu not choose the rectangle? Explain. So here we can say that none of the rectangle will have an area of 800 square meter. That's why he has not chose the rectangle. Next, so Anand also tried many different ways to make boundary for 800 square meters of the land. He made rectangles A, B and C of different sizes. Find out the length of boundary of each. How much gold wire will he get for these rectangles? Here different rectangles are given to us. We have to find out gold wire needed for it. So first 40 meter into 20 meter. So gold wire for that will be 40 plus 20 plus 40 plus 20, that is 120 meter. Second is 80 meter into 10 meter. So gold wire for B will require 80 plus 80, 10 plus 10. So 180 meter. Now C, 800 meter into 1 meter. So gold wire for C will be 800 plus 1, 800 plus 1, sum of all the sides, that is 1602 meter. Now D, gold wire for D will be 8000 into 0.1 is given. So 8000 plus 0.1, 8000 plus 0.1. Now that will be 1600.2. This Anand has made so longer compared to this 3. So he will get 1600.2 meter of gold wire. Students, here we are ending up with the chapter. I hope you are clear with the concepts. Thank you.